In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mailerlite. First, open your preferred browser and search for Mailerlite. Look for the official site in the results, the one that clearly references the email marketing platform, and avoid any lookalike ads. Click through to the homepage. From there, find the Sign Up button. You'll be asked for your company or organization name, your name, an email address, and a password. Use a professional email you can access easily and create a strong, unique password. If you prefer, you can sign up with Google to speed things up. Depending on your account, you may be prompted to confirm your email before continuing. Once you're in, start by organizing your audience. Go to Subscribers, then Groups, and create a new group. Groups help you segment subscribers by interests, products, or lead source, so choose clear names you'll recognize later. When you have a list to import, head to the Subscribers page, click Add Subscribers, and either upload a CSV file or copy and paste from Excel. Make sure you have permission to email everyone on your list. As you import, check that columns like first name and email map to the right fields and that your headers are formatted correctly. Next, use the Sites tab to build a standalone landing page for lead generation. Pick a template that matches your brand and open the drag and drop editor. Replace the placeholder text and images, adjust colors, and add your opt-in form. Keep the page focused on one clear call to action and preview it on mobile for a clean experience. If you want to capture leads on an existing website, navigate to Forms to create pop-ups or embedded forms. Choose a style that fits your site, customize the fields, and set basic display preferences so the form appears at the right time for visitors. When you're ready to send email, go to Campaigns and select Create Campaign. Enter your subject line and sender details, then design your message in the drag and drop editor. Keep your layout simple, use clear headings, and make your primary button easy to tap. Use the built-in preview to double-check links and formatting. To automate follow-ups, click the Automations tab and create a new automation. You can build from scratch or start with a template. In the editor, add steps like delays, send email, and copy to groups to shape the journey. When everything looks good, click Activate to save and turn it on. That's it. Your Mailerlite setup is complete.